the reimagined Life Straw. Our Peak Series personal filtration straw is the ultimate in lightweight filtration. This new straw features more premium materials, enhanced flow rate, and more versatility. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, at only 2 ounces, pack and store it anywhere, and you'll have 5 years of safe water in the palm of your hand. The membrane microfilter removes bacteria and parasites. The LifeStraw Peak Water Filter Straw boasts new caps to prevent leakage in your pack and added versatility. The universal threading when you remove the bottom cap can attach to standard threaded water bottles and flasks. The built-in hose attachment also allows you to connect to standard gravity systems and hydration packs. We're also a climate-neutral certified B Corp, and for every LifeStraw product purchased, a school child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe, pack a LifeStraw.